What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Abovetek, and we're taking a look at a really awesome product that looks very sleek on your desk. Now, this is an acrylic monitor stand. It's very high quality, and it's meant to be a very sturdy platform where you can put things underneath it. For example, if you have an iMac, you can go ahead and place the iMac on top of this, and it can serve as a really nice monitor stand. But you can also use it for your TV, or you can use it for a printer or a laptop. And the way I've been using it is for my laptop, which I placed underneath my monitors, and then I placed a monitor on top of it, and afterwards it's just a really seamless way to have everything plugged in directly in front of me so I can reach for things when I need to do so. Makes it really cool. Now, it's made out of this super clear material, and the only downside I would mention for this is sometimes it gets a bit dusty, so keep this thing clean. You know, it's like a clear texture, but at the same time it looks super sleek on just about any desk. And here's where things get really interesting. Its height is really cool because, you see, typically speaking, our monitors either are too high or too low, and in most cases we are looking down at our monitor, and you know what that happens? Our back gets hunched, and then this causes back pain. You want your monitors to be eye level, and if this could be a really easy way to go ahead and place your monitor in a way that is perfectly eye level with you without having to go and buy a complicated chair that adjusts or something of those sorts. How cool is that? The other thing I really like is there's no setup procedure. You see, this thing can hold up to 50 pounds, which is really insane, and afterwards you just place it down and toss whatever you need on top of it, and you're perfectly set to go. It can serve as a bookshelf, but it can also serve as a printer stand. You can put all your Apple products, which is where I'd really recommend it. This thing with a white desk, unfortunately I have a whole black setup, but if you have an iMac, you place this on top, that will look so sleek, and it comes in at the exact specifications of 20 inches long, so if you're trying to figure out whether it's going to fit on your desk, that's how long it is. And I would say it even increases some desktop real estate. If you have a monitor stand, it's whatever. Like, if you have a VESA mount, it doesn't matter. But if you have a genuine monitor that's sitting on a normal stand on your desk, you're wasting a bunch of space you could be using. So this thing just rises it up a little bit, so you now have access to the whole bottom of your desk. How cool is that? And I guess the main way I would use this is that it has full-on space for full-fledged 104 key keyboard, so you can place your mouse in there, maybe your magic mouse, your magic trackpad and stuff directly underneath, and you're perfectly set. It's 20 inches long, 8 inches forward, and then of course 3.5 inches high. So go ahead and use those specifications and see if this thing is something that would fit on your desk. So all in all, I give this thing a nice solid 10 out of 10. It's very simple. It comes in at a reasonable price, and it has 5 stars on Amazon. So it does exactly what it says it does. It just looks really sleek, and it's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.